on. Gosh dang it. Ugh. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Packwood Performance 4x4, and today we are going to be working on the Duramax. As you've seen, this door handle is barely working anymore. It gets locked out and it doesn't want to open. You really got to pull on it hard, which is pulling the metal out. So today we are going to be installing a new door handle. First off, sorry, my door handle is so dirty. I guess light colors aren't the way to go. No matter how clean my hands are, it seems like it still gets it dirty. But we're going to start out by removing panels here, 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 this panel here. And we're going to get this door handle changed out. First off, we'll start out with a flat bladed screwdriver. Pop that out. Pop that panel off in here. And there's a panel behind the door handle. Pop this off. And you should have a 10mm bolt right here. And two 10mm bolts in here. Then we have two more 10mm bolts on the handle, one down at the bottom, one up here at the top. Now your window switches should pop right up using a flat bladed screwdriver. We'll simply unclip these. Went ahead and just pulled the whole thing out because it was easier. And there is one more plastic cover right here. Now you should be able to pop the plastic pins and lift it straight up and just let it hang to the side. Now inside the door you can see, I don't know how well you can see it, but there is a little clip there, the orange one that's got to be unclipped. And then the cable that comes into the inside door handle, turned it upside down so you can see it better, but this little piece will pinch in and then you can pull that ball out of there. I used a pair of needle nose pliers to pinch that, and it should just come loose like that. And you can set your door panel aside. There are two more 10mm bolts. There's one way back in there you'll need a long extension for, and then there's one in this hole way back in there that release the door handle. Now the door handle should come loose. As you can see here, we're going to remove this red clip off of that. There are a couple of things that you're going to have to move over, which is the lock and then this bar. So we'll take this and just kind of feed it around and then feed it back into the new one. And then the lock actually has a pin that holds it in. Just pull that out. The new one actually has one already on there. But then we will pull the lock out, and with this one still in there, you can just drop it back into place and it clips right in. Now we're ready to put it back into the truck. First, we're going to drop this rod down in and then make sure to clip this hook over here back onto the red tab. And then feed it back into place. I forgot to hook up my little orange clamp that was back here in this back. Now we'll plug our plugs back in. Reinstall the handle. Reinstall the bolt behind the door lever, and then the two that go underneath the door handle here. Put your plastic covers back on. And the little last piece right here. And it's back together. Now let's test it. And it is way easier to open. Test out the lock, unlock, and I guess I better go ahead and test out the key. All right, I think we're good. All right, guys, so that does it for today. We got the door handle fixed. That is way better. It was driving me crazy. Sorry the video was so short. The wind is blowing like crazy. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you need a part like this, the link will be in the description. And come back and see what happens next time. Until then, everyone have a good evening. Oh wait, are you subscribed? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button too.